What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm doing some unboxings of the Ipsy mystery glam bags from March. This is the Mocha Moment mystery bag and the Feeling Mossy. And boy, did they nail it with that name, because this looks exactly like moss. Honestly, I kind of love it. So let's start with this one. This should have 5 full-size mystery items. And the first is Dear Midnight Peach Bellini Dual Eyeshadow Stick. One side is a smudger, and the other is this very pretty copper color. I do already have some like liquid eyeshadow on, but I'm just gonna tight line on my eye with this. Wow, that's like really cute, actually. I am about to go meet some girlfriends at one of their houses just to hang out. And then I'm off to a Reiki and Yin yoga workshop. So I've been like filming all day and kind of experimenting with makeup, but I am like getting ready to go meet my girlfriend. So that actually worked out really well. Love this, like love, love, love that. Love the color, love the creaminess of it. That's a win for sure. Next is the Milk Commodity. I love this fragrance brand. And the Juice Commodity is literally one of my absolute favorite perfumes. I will repurchase it over and over again. I did try the Commodity Gold, way more intense. Honestly, I probably won't repurchase that, but I'm glad I get to try the Milk one because I have not even smelled this one yet. So it has their classic black matte and gold. Let's see. Ooh. Wow, that is so nice. Oh my God, it is like a deep sweet. Ooh, it's almost like cinnamony. Wow, that smells so decadent. I did not think I would like this smell. Holy cow, that's really, really good. Okay, win for sure. Next is the Dew Stick from Rose Milk. Rose Milk is the color. The packaging feels a little cheap, not gonna lie, and it is just a basic, wow, very pretty. I'm gonna do a little here, you can see that, and maybe some here. Wow. Okay, that's awesome. I do usually use like a liquid for my body glow, but sometimes that can like get on your outfit. That's actually so pretty. This mystery bag is like honestly one of the best ones they've had all year. Okay, next is the Dallas & James Watermelon Dream Overnight Retinol. Why do I feel like I received this already in Ipsy or something? No, I definitely have one of these already because I remember the packaging. Gorgeous bottle, gorgeous color. Let me see. Yes, this smells like watermelon juice, like literally like watermelon. Incredible. Love that. I'm gonna put this one aside for like my gift bin because I already have one. Last in the Moss Mystery Glam Bag is Pore Zero BHA. This is a serum, Pore Zero serum. This looks like it's Korean skincare. Interesting, this is for the sebum and your pores, which the sebum are like the little tiny pores on your nose and around your face that like have the white oil in them, I believe. And I was just doing a treatment around my nose last night for that. So this would have been perfect to apply after I did that treatment. So 100% gonna use this. That is what was in the Moss mystery bag from March. I do believe this is still on their site, even though it's May. I would highly recommend getting this. I believe this bag was like 30 bucks, 100% worth it. Literally every product is like awesome. Oh my God, that milk commodity smells so good. I can't even stand it. It might be better than the juice. I don't know. I love the juice. This is like sweeter. The juice is more seductive and like mysterious. This, oh my God, it smells so good. Now the Mocha Mystery Glam Bag. It has the same like raffia type feel. Don't love the color as much, but let's see what's inside here. First is the Estate Rose Rendezvous eyeshadow palette. But actually, I love these pewter colors and I also love purples and reds. So like this would be great for traveling. Leave me like a rose emoji if you want to see me do a makeup look with this little guy. So cute. Then we have Moonslice Beauty Blush Cream in Cutie Pie. Really cute packaging. The color is gorgeous. I feel like this would look so good in like a beach makeup bag, like after getting some sun and just putting that on. Whoa, it is insanely creamy. That beach bag, 100%. Feel Probiotic Moisturizer on one of our vacations, maybe Puerto Rico. This color has been everything this season. I'm like obsessed with this magenta color. I got a dress in this color. I got a little two-piece set in this color. I got a cover up in this color. I don't know what it is, but this like berry magenta color has been calling my name since it got warm out, so yeah, love that. Next is the Tuscan Grape Body Scrub. I love these little mini travel body scrubs for travel, especially like bikini shaving, yes.
Hi baby, so I am in, I just got my ticket.
Yay!
Pick me up?
Yes, ooh girl. You might like this one then. All right, see ya, bye. Okay, and last in this Mocha mystery bag is a purifying gentle face scrub. Yes, literally all of these little travel minis are coming to Puerto Rico. Look at this color. These three colors are just the color of the season. I don't know why I'm obsessed with these colors, so love that. That is what was in the Mocha Mystery Glam Bag. You guys, honestly, actually, these mystery glam bags were so good for March. I think they're both on their site still. This one was 16, I think this one's 30. Between the two, go for this one. If you can get both, highly recommend. They were really, really good. The Moss one, loved it. Anyways, I hope you guys are enjoying these videos. Thank you so much for everyone who's like subscribed and who's watching the videos. Leave me a comment. Let me know what you want to see next, and thank you for watching.